We're at the Navarette residence, and we're going to perform a repair on this wind damaged shingle today. So we pulled an ITEL report and it told us to pick up the gaff dimensional natural shadow shingle. So that's what we got here. So we're going to pull this shingle out. First thing I'm going to do is make sure the bonding strips at the bottom are separated. Looks like the wind did that for us. Now we're going to release the bonding strips from up top so that when we pull the shingle, we're not damaging the shingles above it. Now, it's important to note that every shingle has 2 shingles staggered above it. Okay, got the bonding strips out. Our next step is we're going to pull the fasteners from this shingle, and it's going to have 2 rows of fasteners, one right here and then one above it where this shingle was nailed into the top of this shingle right up here. Okay, so we'll get our pry bar under. And feel our way to those fasteners. Okay, so you see we've got those out, but the shingle's still in there. That's because of that top row of fasteners. So now we're going to go in, we're going to lift that away so our shingle can get in there. So we've got those fasteners pulled out. There's still something holding us, so all right, now you can see the 2 rows of fasteners I was talking about, right along there and then right along there. And you can see the fastener didn't come out with them, so now we got to retrieve those. Okay, that's why these shingles are lifting up a little bit, is because the fasteners are still sitting in there. All right, I think we've got all our fasteners out. We're going to take our gaff Timberline natural shadow shingle and we're going to do a quick comparison of all the interlocking mechanisms real quick, and then we'll come back and we'll try to get the shingle in place.